Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable login alerts on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Enabling login alerts on Facebook is crucial for business as it provides an added layer of security to protect their online presence and sensitive information. This alert notify users whenever an unrecognized device or location attempt to access their Facebook account, allowing them to respond quickly to potential security threats. How to do it, how to turn on this login alerts. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can tap on your profile or the three lines over here. You can scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Tap on account center here. On account settings, you'll see there is an option, password and security. You can tap on that. You'll see there is an option, login alerts on security check. You can tap on login alerts. Choose your account Facebook, your Facebook account that you want to activate the login alerts. Now you can choose login alerts on your account. If you want to get a notification in app, you can tap on in-app notification. And if you want to get notification alerts from your email, you can also choose email. I will choose both of those. Now your login alert is activated. Whenever someone tried to log in, unrecognized device or browser try to log into your account, you'll get notification or alerts from your in-app Facebook and your email. So that is how to enable login alerts on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.